Ladies and gentlemen, from the left wing of the grandstand are the proud members of the University of Santo Tomas Golden Corps of Cadets, headed by the Troop Commander, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel John Andrew Flores, First Class from the College of Commerce and Business Administration, and his staff, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Ralph Gatmaitan from the College of Fine Arts and Design, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Amy Johnny Marie Manuel from the College of Tourism and Hospitality Management, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Marjorie Muto from the College of Tourism and Hospitality Management, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Rainier Vincent D from the Faculty of Pharmacy, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Elizabeth Reyes Gonzalez from the College of Tourism and Hospitality Management, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Bon Centric Curanan from the College of Engineering, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Jovelyn Evangelista from the College of Science. The University of Santo Tomas Band, under the baton of Sergeant Xavier Ernest Tan Arceles Chas, Reserve Philippine Army, Class Bagsaylahi 26. First battalion, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Commander from the College of Rehabilitation Science, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Dolan Somoa from the College of from the Faculty of Engineering, Cadet Major Raymond Pula from the Faculty of Engineering, the Alpha Company, Cadet Captain Edson Gavase, Company Commander from the Faculty of Engineering, Cadet Captain Federico Reyes from the College of Science, Cadet Captain Marvin Calora, Yedonker Bureau from the College of Accountancy, Cadet Second Lieutenant Dwayne Nava, First Platoon Leader from the College of Commerce, Cadet Second Lieutenant Kerwin Victor Adkawili from the Faculty of Arts and Letters, the Second Platoon Leader. Bravo Company, Cadet Captain Angelo Daniel Enerio, Company Commander from the College of Commerce and Business Administration, Cadet Major Rencio de Jesus from the Faculty of Engineering, Cadet Captain John Franco Briones Idonber from the Faculty of Pharmacy, Cadet Second Lieutenant Fran Sager C. Feliciano, First Platoon Leader from the College of Accountancy, Cadet Second Lieutenant Joshua Bergantinos, Platoon Leader. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the passing of colors. Thank you. You may now proceed. Cadet Captain James John Orsinado from the Faculty of Engineering, the Color Officer. First Battalion, Cadet Second Lieutenant Michael Mendo, Battalion Commander from the College of Science, Cadet Center Angelo Sanhuaxte from the College of Education, Cadet Captain Gerard Muyoz from the College of Commerce and Business Administration, Cadet Major Aileen Bautista from the College of Commerce and Business Administration, Cadet Major Bernard Sanfil Bagulan from the Faculty of Engineering, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Lester Richard Payawan from the College of Accountancy. Charlie Company, Cadet Captain Michael Patibulan, Company Commander from the College of Accountancy, Cadet Captain Audrey Antonio from the College of Accountancy, Cadet Second Lieutenant Joyce Andraimundo from the College of Finance and Design, Cadet Second Lieutenant Dwight Nava from the College of Science, Cadet Second Lieutenant Pamela Luis de Guzman from the Alfredo M. Calano College of Accountancy, Delta Company, Cadet Captain Arsenio Padilla, Faculty of Engineering, Cadet Captain Ray Evangeline Corpus from the College of Commerce and Business Administration, Cadet Captain Mark Allen Flores Idonber from the College of Science, Cadet Second Lieutenant Denise Debel Acevedo, First Platoon Leader from the College of Fine Arts and Design, and Cadet Second Lieutenant Alvin Candelaria, Second Platoon Leader from the Faculty of Engineering.